I still can't believe that Christmas is over with, but it's time to take down all of that Christmas decor and give our houses a good deep cleaning, which is what we're going to do in today's video. I have quite a few different spaces and some tricks for you in the video today, and I can't wait to get started doing some deep cleaning. So first of all, make sure your dishes are nice and clean. You can see all the beautiful snow outside my window. We had that wonderful blizzard that came through about a week ago, and I just love the snow so much.
Would you have me back over once again? On and on and on, dwell till I'm torn apart. On and on, snaps going through my heart. Try and save me, try and break my fall.
Tonight for dinner, I'm making roast beef. So I put some beef broth in there with cream of mushroom soup on top. And if you have an onion soup packet, add that too. It makes it so good. I didn't have one today, but I'll show you a few clips throughout this video of me prepping dinner for tonight. Next, we're going to give our sink a good cleaning. This is not the most expensive sink. I don't even know how long it's been here. There's a chance that it's 20 years old, just like our house. And as you can see inside, it scratches so easily. But the one thing that I found that does a great job of getting off those marks are the Scrub Daddy sponge and Barkeeper's Friend. I love Barkeeper's Friend, the powder form, the spray form, anything. I will use it wherever I can, and I will link anything that I can in the description below.
When you were leaving, I need you even more than I did before. You had the last word when you walked out the door. You drive me crazy, I want you to stay here. Now I'm here alone, I hate this party and I don't know anyone. We get drunk and we fight, but I forgive you although you drive me crazy, I want you to stay here. You'll be the death of me still, you're my medicine. Yeah, I need you, I need you. You light my fire just to put me out again. Still I need you. I'm weak for you, yeah you, yeah you. I'm weak for you, yeah you, yeah you. Now we're back where it's
I did host Christmas this year, which was so fun, but of course my house got a little messy and dirty and we did a lot of dishes. So I'm gonna make sure to refill this sponge and add some more soap to it. I love the Mrs. Meyer scents. That's pretty much all I use for my dishes. The basil one is so good, but I'm just gonna make sure that that's nice and filled and change out the sponge so that it's just a nice, fresh, clean start for the day.
I'm weak for you, yeah you, yeah you. Now I'm trying to let you go, but I'm always losing control. Is that what you want me to do? Now I'm trying to let you go, but I'm always losing control. Is that what you want me to do? You'll be the death of me still, you're my medicine.
Right before Santa Claus came, we decided to declutter my youngest daughter's room, and I wish I would have gotten a before picture, but just imagine toys everywhere in this room. Like, I did not want to go in her room ever because it just caused me so much anxiety, but she knew Santa was coming and she did a great job. Both of us were just like, let's get rid of so much stuff, and we did. It was amazing. I am so proud of her for just donating things that she didn't play with anymore, and now I feel like I can breathe when I walk into her room. We did 30 quick minutes, and that was all it took to get rid of most of her toys. This next part of our deep cleaning is equally satisfying and disgusting. So you're gonna take a big pot, get some water in there, boil it. You're gonna take all your dish rags, even towels if you want to, or washcloths are fine too. You're gonna put them in the boiling water for about 5 to 7 minutes. And all the nasty stuff is gonna come out. It is so disgusting, but you feel so much better when they're done. So I'm gonna take them out. I will rinse them out once they cool down, and then I will just go throw them in the washing machine to give them a good clean. And I will do this to all of my dish rags at one time. So it probably takes a good 45 minutes because I have quite a few rags for our family, but it's nice just to get it done. If your water looks that disgusting, I recommend getting rid of that water and refilling it with a new pot and boiling that again. If your water isn't super dirty, you can probably do 2 or 3 batches in it. I am just adding some baby carrots to my roast beef, and if you like potatoes in there, you can do that as well. I had leftover mashed potatoes in the fridge, so I am just going to use those for dinner to make it super simple. Next, we're gonna clean the other side of the sink now that all the dishes are out of there, and I'm just gonna do the same thing with the Scrub Daddy brush and the Barkeeper's Friend. I am looking forward to when we do our kitchen remodel. I will definitely be going back to a single basin sink. I love those. You can fit so much stuff in there. They're easier to clean. You do have to have the stuff drying on your counter then, but I will definitely go back to a single basin sink when we redo our kitchen.
Stick it to you. Hey, I think that you're in over your head. Now I'm done talking. This time I might go out with my friends. And I don't want your sad blue eyes. You know everything about me. Like I need my territory, so
This is where all the adults ate for Christmas, so I'm just going to give the table a good cleaning. You can see all the games. I brought those up from the basement, and we did end up playing a few of those. We had so much fun on Christmas. It was nice and relaxing. We played those games. We played Monkey in the Middle. It was just fun to have a nice, relaxing day. Next, we're going to clean the trash can. In our last house, the trash was in a cabinet, and I much prefer that. But until we do our kitchen remodel, mine is sitting out here on the side of my cabinet. So I'm just gonna give it a nice cleaning. And honestly, I haven't cleaned the back side of it or that side of the cabinet in a long time. So it was good. It definitely needed a nice cleaning.
first you were so easy, but now I can't even get through to your mind. 'Cause you don't wanna listen. I know everything about you. Like it's hard for you to be true. Oh, funny how it changed in a matter of time. Phone is ringing, always at a bad time. Every time you flash your name, always leaving, then you got me chasing you like I'm the one to blame. Oh, I think you're so rude, don't wanna fight you, but you don't ever take a break. 'Cause you love drama, forget the karma. No, you don't ever take a break.
Next, we're moving on to cleaning the chairs. They definitely got dirty. We had Punch, and with little kids, Punch definitely got over quite a few places. Crumbs always seem to go in those back slots too. I don't know why, they just like to go there, but I'm going to give my chairs a good cleaning off. I am just using the Jaws cleaning system and an e-cloth. Super easy and nice to use.
I've been told you will go away to a place where you're not near me anymore. Try and save me, try and break my fall. My chance was blown, and you were on your way.
You can see my dog Margot there cleaning with me. She follows me everywhere during the day. In fact, right now as I'm doing this voiceover, she is laying right next to me trying to take a little nap. But my favorite part of cleaning is doing the floors. I don't know why, I just love it. Vacuuming all the crumbs up and then mopping. I love having clean floors. Just knowing that your bare feet are walking on super clean floors is a wonderful feeling. Because we just had Christmas and I know there's probably extra crumbs everywhere, we're going to get all those little nooks and crannies that we probably don't get on an everyday basis. I will move those bar stools over there later and clean under those as well, but I'm just making sure to take everything off the floor and give it a really good cleaning. I'm even going to move the table and then get all the extra crumbs that are probably hiding under those legs.
Drug me into sleep to break my fall. Come a little bit closer. Would you have me back over once again? On and on and on. 12 till I'm torn apart.
I do use a cordless Bissell mop. I love it. This is the cleaning solution I use. I probably have to refill it every 1.5 times or so. It depends on how much of the floor that I actually do. You just put a small capful in this container and then fill the rest up with water. Super easy, and I just love this thing. It has completely changed the way that I clean my floors in my home. If I'm just cleaning my kitchen area and then this eat-in dining area and maybe my front entry, I will just use one set of the pads that you see on the bottom of the mop. But if you had a whole first floor of vinyl flooring or hardwood floors, you probably want to change out the pads once in your cleaning routine. I have, I think, maybe 3 or 4 extra sets of pads because in my last house, our main floor was vinyl plank and it took a lot to clean those floors. So one pad would get dirty about halfway through and I would just change them out. Super easy to do, and I just throw them in the wash when I'm done and let them air dry.
Hey, I think that you're in over your head. Now I'm done talking. This time I might go out with my friends. And I don't want your sad blue eyes. You know everything about me. Like I need my territory. So why are you still so needy?
And dinner is done. Roast beef, baby carrots, mashed potatoes with some gravy on them. A nice, easy dinner. If you have really heavy cleaning days and you know you're going to be pretty tired, it's really nice to just have a meal in the crock pot, and that way it's ready in the evening and you don't have to worry about cooking that night. We're going to finish up by just cleaning the kitchen floors really good. If I know my floors are extra dirty or maybe have some sticky spots, I will make sure to go over the floors a few times with my mop just to make sure everything is nice and clean. I hope this video was motivating for you, and I can't wait to share some more of these types of videos with you in the coming year. And I hope you have a wonderful day, and I'm going to leave you with a little music and the last bit of cleaning.